Hey there, fellow explorers! Welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of our connected world. Remember the days of encyclopedias and snail mail? Those were the times when gathering information or sending a message took days, if not weeks. Today, we have information at our fingertips, 24/7, thanks to the internet. It's a revolutionary change that has transformed our lives in countless ways. It's like a giant web connecting billions of devices worldwide. This vast network allows us to communicate, share, and access information instantly, no matter where we are. We use it to learn, work, shop, connect with friends and family, and so much more. The internet has become an integral part of our daily routines, making tasks easier and more efficient. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it actually works? How does this invisible web manage to connect us all so seamlessly? It's like magic, but instead of spells, it's all about science and technology. The internet operates through a complex interplay of hardware and software, working together to transmit data. Just like our roads and highways connect cities and towns, the internet connects computers and devices all over the globe. These digital highways are made up of cables, satellites, and wireless signals. It's a network of networks, a complex system that allows us to share information in the blink of an eye. Data travels through this intricate web at lightning speed, reaching its destination almost instantaneously. But don't worry, understanding the basics of how the internet functions isn't as complicated as you might think. With a little bit of curiosity and exploration, anyone can grasp the fundamental concepts. Let's break it down together. Imagine you want to send a message to a friend across the country. How does that message travel from your device to theirs? Imagine you want to send a message to a friend across the country. You wouldn't handwrite a letter and send it by carrier pigeon, would you? While that might sound charmingly old-fashioned, it's not the most efficient method in our fast-paced world. Instead, you'd probably send a text message or an email. These digital messages travel through the internet, reaching your friend in mere seconds. Similarly, the internet uses its own special language and delivery system to transmit information quickly and efficiently. This language is made up of protocols and data packets that ensure your message gets to the right place. In the next section, we'll delve into the world of IP addresses and data packets, the building blocks of internet communication. These elements work together to route your data accurately and swiftly. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at how these components make our connected world possible. Every device connected to the internet needs a unique address, just like your house or apartment. This unique identifier ensures that data sent over the internet reaches the correct destination. Imagine if every house in a city had the same address. It would be impossible for the mailman to deliver your letters correctly. The same principle applies to the internet. This address is called an IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol Address. It's a crucial part of how the internet functions, allowing devices to communicate with each other seamlessly. It's a series of numbers that identifies a specific device on the network. These numbers are not random, they follow a specific format and are assigned by your internet service provider, or ISP. Think of it like a phone number for your computer. Just as you dial a phone number to reach a specific person, your computer uses an IP address to connect to other devices on the internet. Now let's talk about data packets. When you send information over the internet, it's not sent as one big chunk. Instead, it's broken down into smaller pieces called data packets. These packets are essential for efficient data transmission. Imagine trying to send a large package through a narrow door. It would be much easier to break it down into smaller pieces and send them through one by one. Each data packet contains a portion of your message, along with important information like the destination IP address and sequencing details. This ensures that all packets can be reassembled correctly at the destination. These packets are like digital envelopes, each containing a small portion of your message along with the destination IP address. This way, even if some packets take different routes, they all know where they need to go. These data packets travel across the internet through various routes like cars on a highway. The internet is a vast network of interconnected pathways, and packets can take multiple routes to reach their destination. They don't all have to take the same path, but they all eventually reach their destination. This flexibility ensures that data can be transmitted efficiently, even if some routes are congested or temporarily unavailable. Once they arrive, they're reassembled in the correct order, like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, so your friend can read your message or view the website you sent. This reassembly process is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the data. It's amazing to think that every time you send an email, watch a video, or even just browse the web, countless data packets are zipping around the world at lightning speed. The internet's ability to handle such a massive amount of data so quickly is a testament to its sophisticated design. But how do these packets know where to go, and how do they find their way through the vast network of the internet? This is where the role of ISPs, servers, and routers becomes crucial. ISPs, or Internet Service Providers, assign IP addresses and manage the flow of data. Servers store and provide access to data, while routers direct data packets along the most efficient paths. Together, they ensure that your data reaches its destination quickly and accurately. Routers are like traffic managers for data packets. They analyze the destination IP address and determine the best route for each packet to take. This dynamic routing process helps avoid congestion and ensures that data is delivered as quickly as possible. Just like a GPS system can reroute you if there's traffic on your usual route, routers can dynamically adjust the path of data packets to avoid slowdowns and ensure efficient delivery. In the end, all these processes work together to make sure that your data arrives safely and quickly. The next time you send an email or stream a video, remember the incredible journey your data takes to get there.
To access the internet, you need a special connection provided by an ISP, or Internet Service Provider. Think of them as the companies that lay down the internet pipes to your home or business. They act as the on-ramp to the information superhighway.
Once you're connected, you need a way to send and receive data. That's where servers come in. Servers are powerful computers that store and manage websites, email, and other online services. They're like the libraries and post offices of the internet. Now imagine you're sending a data packet to a friend in another state. It wouldn't be very efficient to send it directly to their computer, especially if there's traffic or roadblocks along the way. That's where routers come in. Routers are like traffic directors, ensuring that data packets take the most efficient route to their destination. They help prevent data jams and keep everything flowing smoothly. So, you have your IP address, your data packets are ready to go, and you have a connection through your ISP. But what about the websites you visit and the information you access online? Let's explore how websites are hosted and accessed in the next section. Websites are like digital storefronts or information hubs. They serve as the face of businesses, organizations, and individuals in the digital realm, providing a platform to showcase products, share information, and connect with audiences worldwide. They're made up of code, images, text, and other media that make up the pages you see on your screen. This code is often written in languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which work together to create the structure, style, and interactivity of a website. But where do these websites live? How do they become accessible to anyone with an internet connection? Websites are stored on servers, those powerful computers we talked about earlier. These servers are designed to handle multiple requests from users all over the world, ensuring that websites are available 24/7. These servers are maintained by web hosting companies, which provide the space and resources for websites to exist online. Web hosting companies offer various types of hosting services such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting, each catering to different needs and budgets. Think of them as landlords renting out space in the digital world. Just as a physical landlord provides a space for a business to operate, web hosting companies provide the digital space for websites to function. When you type in a website address, or URL, Uniform Resource Locator, your computer contacts a domain name system, DNS, server. The URL is like the address of a house, guiding your computer to the correct location on the internet. The DNS server acts like a phone book, translating the website name into its corresponding IP address. This process is crucial because computers use IP addresses to identify and communicate with each other on the internet. Once your computer knows the website's IP address, it can send a request to the server hosting that website. This request is like knocking on the door of the house, asking for the information you want to access. The server then sends back the website's data in the form of data packets, which are small units of data that travel across the internet. These data packets travel back through the internet, through your ISP, and finally to your computer. The journey of these packets involves passing through various network nodes and routers, ensuring they reach their destination efficiently. Your web browser then assembles these packets and displays the website on your screen. This process involves reassembling the data packets in the correct order and rendering the website's content as intended. It's a remarkable process that happens in a matter of seconds, all thanks to the interconnected nature of the internet and the seamless interaction between IP addresses, servers, and data packets. The efficiency and speed of this process are what make the internet such a powerful tool for communication and information sharing. But with all this information flying around, how do we keep it safe and secure? The internet, while incredibly useful, also presents various risks and challenges when it comes to data security. Let's dive into the world of cybersecurity in the next section. We'll explore the measures and technologies in place to protect our data and ensure safe browsing experiences.